All right, so in this example, what we want to do is show you guys an example of how you can automate, number one, getting your leads from an open house landing page that was set up through our landing page creator. For those of you that don't have this yet or would like to have it, you can email support@agentlocator.ca. They can get it set up for you. They can also help you set up the open house landing page so you can have one like this. So first and foremost, what we want to do, I'm not going to talk in detail about how to actually set up the landing page here. Support can help you do that. What I want to do here is show you how you're going to connect this landing page to the CRM so that when the leads come in, that we can automate an SMS message going out to the leads. You may want to have an SMS message go out 5-10 minutes after the lead has come in, or even the next day. And the SMS message could be pre-qualifying the lead, saying, "Hey, thanks so much for stopping by my open house. Looking forward to chatting with you. If you have any questions, please let me know," whatever it may be. So without further ado, let's figure out exactly what we need to do to get to this point. So number one, we have to look at the actual form that this landing page is using. So this form is called the Open House Sign-In. The form has been created inside of the Forms section of the landing page creator, and this is the form. As we can see here, we can click on Edit Form, and this is the editor that comes up. What we want to do, number one, we have this source here called Open House. So we have when the lead gets fed into our CRM, it's going to get fed as a lead source, and when the lead comes in, the default value for that source is going to say Open House. So what we want to do is create automation when a lead that comes in with the source Open House. We want to make sure that something happens, something gets triggered. All right, so to do that, we are going to go into the settings menu. You can collapse and uncollapse this menu here. Go to settings and click on campaign template editor. And in here, we're going to click on create new template. And let's call this template the open house response. And we're going to leave it on relative date. I'm not going to go into detail about what each of these mean. But I just want to go through and show you how we're going to actually set up the automation. And click on Save. All right, so now our campaign is created. And I can go ahead and add a first action. I'm going to say first SMS message. And we'll say, "Thanks so much for stopping by my open house first name. If you have any questions, please be sure to email." To respond back, not even email. All right. So we are going to say that we want this SMS message to go out, and we want it to go out, let's say, one day after they've come in to our CRM. So click on save. That action is created. Now, we are going to set our automatic assignment to ensure that that lead gets assigned. And the source is that open house. So there's the source. As long as one lead comes into your CRM with the open house, it will have the source available. And we're going to click on update. And that is it. Now, anytime a lead comes in from the open house landing page, it will automatically get assigned to this campaign. And I'll show you an example of how that works here now. All right, so I'm here pretending to be a person who's visited this open house, and I'm going to put my information here. So Otto, I want to put a fake email address because there's a very good chance that my email is already in this client's CRM. And let's put our phone number. I'm also going to put a fake number because, again, there's a chance that the phone number is in, and if the phone number is in, it does not recreate the lead, it just assigns to the existing lead that it's come from a specific open house. All right, so home address, testing, home address, buying and selling. I'm going to say I am looking to buy and sell, and yes, I am working with a realtor. All right, click on submit, and this lead is in, so let's go to the CRM. All right, so now we're inside the CRM. We can see the lead here that I've inputted. And if I go into the lead and go to the eCampaigns tab here, we can see that the open house response has been assigned. And this SMS message is going to go out a day after we've come in. That's because what we've set up in the campaign editor. All right, Thank you guys so much. I hope this video helps you guys out, and have yourselves a wonderful day.